Welcome to safe and effective home workouts for seniors.
Staying active is important at any age. This guide offers a gentle home workout plan for beginners, focusing on easy movements suitable for older adults. Every exercise is designed to improve strength, balance, and flexibility, helping you enjoy everyday activities with confidence, all from the comfort of your home.
Warm up. Get your body ready.
Start every session with a gentle warm-up. March in place, roll your shoulders, or circle your ankles for about 5 minutes. These simple movements help loosen your joints, increase blood flow, and reduce the risk of injury. Remember to move at your own pace and listen to your body.
Strength exercises. Building stability.
Strengthening muscles supports everyday tasks. Try chair squats by sitting and standing from a sturdy chair, wall push-ups to strengthen your arms, and gentle bicep curls using light weights or water bottles. Aim for 1 to 2 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions, resting as needed. Good form is more important than speed.
Balance and flexibility. Moving safely.
Maintain balance and flexibility to prevent falls. Stand behind a chair, hold on lightly, and lift one leg to the side, holding for a few seconds. Repeat on each leg. Gentle stretches for your arms, legs, and neck can help keep you limber. Take deep breaths and avoid pushing into discomfort.
Cool down and tips for success.
End your workout by cooling down. Walk slowly, stretch gently, and relax your breathing. Remember, consistency is key. Short, regular sessions make a big difference over time. Stay hydrated, use sturdy furniture for support, and consult your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise plan. Enjoy staying healthy and active at home.